What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sniper back at you with another video, man. So I know I've been slacking on the videos, and it's kind of hard to do the videos with the whole virus going on. So it's like, you feel me? It kind of takes time. But today, I'm actually heading to the shop right now. I'm about to go do a muffler delete to see what it sounds like. And then possibly after that, like next week, if it's not as loud as I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and do a resonator delete also. And from there, if it's still not loud, pretty sure it is gonna be loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and do I'm gonna take out the cats, the secondary cats. But like I feel like at that point it'll be like extremely loud. But right now we're heading to the shop, so I'll see you guys there. So we are here at A&D's exhaust and undercar. So he was about to close because it closed at 6 and I got here at like 5:30 because, like, you know, I'm always late to everything. But he's actually gonna do it for me, so today we're gonna get to see what it sounds like with a muffler delete. So like a dumbass, I didn't take a video of what it sounded like before the muffler delete, so we're just gonna have to see what it sounds like. The car is in the stand right now.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alright, the muffler delete's all done. You can hear the difference, like, from when I didn't have it to now. Like, it just sounds beautiful. could hit actually a little pops, just a little bit. I don't know, you guys probably can't hear me, but it sounds mad nice. It sounds mad nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the spot and do a couple drive-by for you guys, so you guys can actually hear what it sounds like. But it sounds mad nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm mad happy right now, cause like finally it sounds good. You feel me? It sounds nice. So I'm about to head to the spot right now. See you guys there. Alright, so I'm at the spot. I'm about to do a couple like flybys, see what it sounds like. It's completely stopped. I haven't done anything yet. But when I do anything, make sure to post it, keep you guys updated. Completely stopped. Except for the muffler delete. This is what it sounds like inside. It's nice. It's not crazy loud.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, at least I'm gonna take out the resonator next week. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment the next mod you guys want to see. And yeah, I'm about to do a couple flybys for you guys, so you guys could see what it sounds like. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. So this week I did the muffler delete, and next week I'm probably gonna be doing the resonator delete. I also want to do a big shout out to Andy's Exhaust. They did a great job, and I will be going back to them to take out the resonator. So you guys actually got to hear what it sounds like with the resonators on and with the muffler off. So now you guys are gonna get to hear what it sounds like without the muffler or the resonator. And sometime in the future I'll probably just go straight pipe and just have it like be super loud. But you guys comment what mods you guys want to see on the car. I'm working on it. I apologize if I'm taking so long with the videos. The whole virus going on, and it's just hard. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you.